Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's recipe, we're going to make real Jamaican style peanut punch. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you find this video useful, give the video a thumbs up. To start, these are the ingredients. We have here some ripe bananas. We also have here raw shelled peanuts. We also have nutmeg, vanilla, 1 can of supligen. We have overnight soaked oats, and our golden honey, organic honey, to add sweetness to the punch. Today I'm going to tweak my peanut punch recipe. To the hot water, I had 3 cinnamon leaves, and I also add the raw shelled peanuts. Then I'm going to allow them to boil. Look at that water, guys. After boiling, I'm just going to remove the peanuts and add to a separate container. So I'm just transferring the peanuts to a separate container. What you can do is just to pour off the water from the peanuts and discard the cinnamon leaves. If you're wondering why I opted to doing this step, I tend to boil the peanuts because once you boil the peanuts get softer, and it gives your peanut punch a smoother texture, as opposed to using the raw nuts. You'll have to be biting on large clumps of raw peanuts. So when you boil the peanuts, it gives your peanut punch a smoother texture, which is easier to intake. If you prefer to blend your raw nuts other than boiling it, I have a video uploaded on our channel. I'll link it in the top right corner. You guys can go ahead and watch that one. After boiling the peanuts, you want to allow it to cool down just a little bit. Then you're going to transfer everything to the blender. I went ahead and add the peanuts. I add the overnight soaked oats. It is best to use the oats when you soak it from overnight, guys. It is more softer and thicker. I also went ahead and add the bananas. This is about, I think, maybe about 4.5 to 5 small bananas. I also add 1 can of supligen. If you don't have the supligen and you have Ensure, you could go ahead and use the Ensure as a substitute. After adding the supligen, I went ahead and cover the blender and blend until it is smooth. After blending to get everything fully combined, I went ahead and add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, I also went ahead and add some vanilla. Next, I'm going to add the honey, and I'm going to blend to get everything fully combined. The honey will act as a sweetening aid. If you don't have the honey and you have sugar, you can go ahead and utilize your sugar. And you know, so you can't leave the salt, so I went ahead and had about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste and to prevent your belly from running. Then I'm going to blend again to get everything fully combined. So this is the consistency check. That's how it is looking, very thick and full. So at this point you could go ahead and taste to see what it is missing, and you could always go ahead and add more honey, more vanilla, or whatever you'd like to add at this point. Finally, I'm going to add some Dragon Stout. If you have Guinness, you could go ahead and use the Guinness as well. But I'm going to add just a little bit of Dragon Stout. Not a lot, because me no want junk. Just a little bit to kind of, you know, spice it up. And that was the final blend. Everything is now fully combined and well blended out. So it's now time to taste to see if it's based on our liking. So it was absolutely amazing and delicious, guys. And this is our recipe for Jamaican style peanut punch, buck up in a strong back punch, whatever our Jamaicans like to call it, or the wider Caribbean. I hope you guys enjoy this easy and simple Jamaican style peanut punch recipe. If this video was very helpful, give the video a thumbs up, comment and let us know how you like the video. Share the video with a friend, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and keep coming back for more, and hit that bell to be notified whenever we drop some authentic Jamaican style recipes. If this video was helpful, you might want to check these videos out.